to the Red Kitchen, everybody. Today on our menu, it is Superhero Week, and today we have Captain America Muddy Buddy Mix. Definitely one of my favorites. You want to make sure you have all of your ingredients. One of my favorite parts is all of the M&Ms. You're going to need Cocoa Puffs, as well as more chocolate. You're going to need chocolate chips. Don't forget to add, you're going to need confectioner's sugar, and at the very least, you're also going to need some checks. All this down. All right. So you're only going to want about a cup of chocolate chips. You can have as many chocolate chips inside as you would like. And you want to pour it in a microwave safe bowl. All right, we're going to take a heroic journey off to the microwave. Over to off, we got melted chocolate. Let's go. And we're back. Okay. We finally got chocolate melted. All right. Your next step is you want to take a nice large spoon, or actually depending on how much you got, you can use a smaller spoon. You want to take the melted chocolate, now that it's become soft, and you want to drizzle it lightly over the checks. As you can see. Let me show you. And then as you're doing so, as you begin to collect more chocolate with your checks, feel free to then begin to mix it all in. So they all stick together. Bloom with chocolate, the best kind. Don't forget to add every last drop. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. All right. Got all of our checks going. Alrighty. Next, you're gonna need your confectioner's sugar. Strong as the Hulk, as we can see. You'll need about a cup of that too. Also, be sure to maybe have a vacuum on hand. All right, you want to put your powdered sugar in the Ziploc bag. Put that there, because we're going to need it in a minute. And then you want to take your checks, and you want to scoop them into the bag. I just want to eat these like right now. But if you wait, like all good things, it gets even better. All right. Squeeze all the air out of your Ziploc bag. And then give it some shakes. You want to get all the sugar and the chocolate and the checks just completely covered. Completely covered. You do want to let it sit for about like 1 to 2 minutes to let all the sugar stick to all the chocolate and all the checks. Whoop. Let's pour these guys out. And mix them through. And maybe just take a handful for yourself to eat. And maybe fling an M&M on the floor. We can do that too. That's okay. All right. Once you've got all of your checks completely covered with all your M&Ms, you want to take them, scoop them into a bag that I do not have, but make sure that you do. Scoop them in and pass them out amongst your friends, amongst your loved ones. Bring them home to your mom, bring them home to your dad, to your siblings, and be sure to have someone try them. Captain America Muddy Buddies.